Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about semantic elements. What are semantic elements? Though previously we have been using them, but we have not really defined them to know their uses and what they are all about. Semantic elements are very important in your web page structures. So semantic elements in HTML are elements that provide meaning to the structure of a web page, making it easier for browsers, search engine, and screen readers to understand the content on your website. So using semantic elements will really help it will really help in optimization of your website. Now, semantic elements are elements that have a specific meaning and they provide context to the content they contain. Do you understand? Like they provide content to the context they contain. Now, they are used to define the structure and organization of a web page, making it more accessible and readable. So we have many semantic elements, but today let me list them out. So one of the semantic elements is the header. The header is one of the semantic elements that we have. This is it here, the header. We have the nav. We have the main. So we have the section. We have the article. We have the aside. Side, we have the footer. We have the figure. This is it here. We have the figure. Now we have the fig caption. The fig caption. So now this is just, let me say, nine of the semantic element. This is 9 of them. So without making this tutorial to be very long, in the next tutorial we'll be discussing about each one, the usefulness of each of these semantic element. So do well to follow me and subscribe. So in the next tutorial we're going to continue on semantic elements. So thank you.